next to, so you'll notice that infrared is right next to the red end. Okay, so it goes infrared right here to red right here. And then you also notice that violet is on the other end, and then right next to the violet end is ultraviolet. Okay, infra means below, so it's below red, and then ultra means above, so it's above violet. Ultraviolet rays are the ones that give you sunburn. Okay, and they do that by these have more energy because we're getting up into the higher frequency. It's actually burning your skin by interacting with your skin. It's getting your skin too much energy, but you can block that by using sunblock. It can kill living cells too. They actually use UV light to kill bacteria on what are those things? Safety glasses. I have a safety glass cabinet that has a UV light inside. You can get at Walmart a device that you put your phone inside to kill germs on it. UV is used to kill germs on, what are those? Produce, your fruits and veggies at the grocery store before they put them out there. So it has a lot of uses, UV, but the sunburn's not so great because it can also give you skin cancer, okay? Past ultraviolet is X-rays. X-rays can start to cause damage. They have so much energy that we're getting into some problems now. This is where the problems start. Okay, so cell phones are not going to hurt you because that's lower energy than visible light. In high doses, concentrated doses, we might have a problem if you stuck your hand in the microwave. That would be not good for your hand, but it's not because the microwaves themselves are hurting you, but because the microwaves are getting the water to be hot and you're burning. X-rays themselves are actually going to cause a problem. It passes through skin but not bone, which is why X-rays can be used to see if you have broken a bone. It paints a pretty picture on some photosensitive paper, but it can be harmful in large amounts. That's why when they take your X-ray, all the people who aren't getting the X-ray leave the room, okay? And that they limit how much of that you can get in a year, okay? Past the X-rays is the fun one, is the gamma rays. Gamma rays in any amount are harmful, and they come from nuclear reactions, so they're not just everywhere. You might come across some in very, very small doses from just normal everyday things that are around you, but they're just not everywhere. But you can be exposed to them accidentally through some really unfortunate freak accidents in a nuclear plant, which has happened in the past. And as a result of those unfortunate accidents, lots and lots of safety features are added to nuclear plants that are in use today. So understanding the electromagnetic spectrum is useful to think about all those different wave types and their uses. Okay. On the next page of your packet is some practice for you to think about these waves and what kinds of things you might be able to understand about them. But remember, all of these waves move at the same speed. And they don't require a vacuum. So all of these kinds of waves can go through, they don't require a vacuum. They don't require a medium. They can go through a vacuum. So these waves can travel through space. Okay, sound waves can't. So you wouldn't actually hear those space fighting scenes in Star Wars and Star Trek because the sound can't get there. You would just see them, and it would be interesting to look at, but you wouldn't hear anything. Okay, so that's it for this one. If you have any questions for your teacher, make sure you ask. Thanks for watching.